puddle everywhere. Two little pigs playing in the hay, jumping and giggling all day. Mud on their nose, mud on their tail, laughing and running down the trail. Three piggies splash in a puddle, squealing loud in a snuggly huddle. Snort, snort, giggle, what a sound! Piggy fun is all around. Piggy eats apples, corn and peas, then takes a nap under the trees. Snoring softly, dreams so sweet, Piggy rests after tasty treats. Farmer waves and calls out loud, come back piggies, don't run in the crowd. All the pigs run to the barn, happy and safe on the